Have you ever wondered why your eyes sometimes feel tired or blurry, even after a full night's rest? Most people assume that sleep alone restores eye health, but the truth is that your eyes rebuild and repair themselves using the nutrients you consume before you drift off. Each night, while you sleep, millions of microscopic cells in your retinas regenerate, and that process depends on certain vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids. In fact, researchers have discovered that some specific fruits, vegetables, and natural foods can literally boost your vision overnight. Let's explore how nature's most powerful foods work quietly while you rest, helping your eyes recover, protect themselves, and even sharpen your vision for the next day. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Here, we share simple but powerful health tips to help you age with energy, confidence, and clear vision every single day. It all begins with the king of eye health, carrots. Everyone has heard the classic phrase, carrots help you see in the dark, and there's more truth in that than you might think. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a type of antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A, an essential compound for the retina. During sleep, vitamin A helps your eyes produce rhodopsin, the pigment that allows you to see in low-light conditions. Without enough of it, your night vision can deteriorate, leading to dryness and fatigue. Eating a small portion of carrots at dinner or blending them into a nighttime smoothie ensures your body has enough of this nutrient to repair and strengthen your eyes as you rest. But carrots are just the beginning of the story. The next powerful ally is spinach, a leafy green loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that act as natural sunglasses for your eyes. These compounds filter harmful blue light, reduce inflammation, and improve macular function. While you sleep, lutein and zeaxanthin concentrate in the retina and lens, protecting them from oxidative stress. Studies show that people who consume spinach regularly have a lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness in seniors. Adding spinach to your dinner, a salad, or even a green smoothie before bed gives your body what it needs to defend your vision during the night. Then there's the surprising sweetness of blueberries, often called the brain and eye fruit. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, pigments that not only give them their deep blue color, but also enhance microcirculation within the eyes. That means while you're sleeping, your retinas receive better oxygen and nutrient delivery. Blueberries also reduce oxidative stress and prevent capillary damage caused by aging and screen exposure. Just a handful of blueberries before bed, or mixed into a low-sugar yogurt, can significantly increase the antioxidant protection your eyes receive overnight. Another key player in nighttime eye repair is salmon, one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids. The retinas are made up of high concentrations of DHA, a specific type of omega-3 that supports photoreceptor function and prevents dry eye. During sleep, these fatty acids are used to rebuild the delicate cell membranes in the eye, ensuring proper hydration and visual clarity the next day. Regular consumption of salmon, 2 to 3 times per week, has been linked to a lower risk of developing glaucoma and macular degeneration. A light salmon dinner, paired with green vegetables, is one of the most effective ways to nourish your eyes before bedtime. But not all vision-enhancing foods are savory. One of the most delicious and powerful options is kiwi. This small, vibrant fruit is loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that strengthens the tiny blood vessels in your eyes and prevents cataracts. Unlike many other fruits, kiwi contains both vitamin C and E, creating a synergistic effect that protects against free radicals generated during the day from sun exposure and pollution. When you sleep, your body uses these antioxidants to neutralize oxidative damage in the lens and cornea. Eating one kiwi in the evening not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also gives your eyes the tools they need to heal overnight. Equally impressive is sweet potato, another vibrant source of beta-carotene, but with a unique bonus. It contains vitamin B6, which supports nerve communication between the eyes and the brain. As you sleep, your optic nerves rely on steady transmission signals to maintain their function. Sweet potatoes also stabilize blood sugar, preventing the spikes that can contribute to diabetic retinopathy. Including roasted or mashed sweet potatoes in your dinner helps keep your vision clear and steady as your body rests and repairs. Let's not forget eggs, one of nature's most complete sources of nutrition for the eyes. The yolk, in particular, is packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, and vitamin D. These nutrients work together to repair light damage and maintain the structural integrity of the retina. Zinc, especially, plays a key role in transporting vitamin A from the liver to the eyes, ensuring that your vision remains strong in dim light. Having a boiled or poached egg in the evening, perhaps as part of salad or light snack, can support your body's overnight repair process and strengthen your visual acuity by morning. Finally, one of the most underrated vision protectors is orange, a fruit often associated with immunity rather than eyesight. Yet its high vitamin C content not only boosts your defenses, but also maintains the collagen found in the cornea and sclera. Collagen is what keeps your eyes flexible and hydrated. During sleep, the body synthesizes new collagen fibers, and vitamin C is essential for that process. Oranges also contain hesperidin, a flavonoid that improves blood flow to the eyes, reducing dark circles and puffiness after waking. Drinking a small glass of freshly squeezed orange juice or eating the fruit itself in the evening provides an extra layer of protection while you rest. Now, while these 8 foods stand out individually, their true power comes from how they work together. Your eyes don't rely on a single nutrient, but on a complex network of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support one another. For instance, vitamin A from carrots can't function properly without zinc from eggs, and a lutein in spinach becomes more effective when paired with the omega-3s from salmon. That's why nutritionists recommend variety rather than focusing on just one superfood. A colorful, balanced dinner, rich in greens, oranges, and healthy fats, creates the perfect internal environment for your eyes to regenerate at night. What's fascinating is how these nutrients align perfectly with your body's circadian rhythm. During the day, your eyes are exposed to light, strain, and oxidative damage. At night, when your metabolism slows and repair mechanisms activate, those nutrients are directed to restore balance. The antioxidants from blueberries and kiwi mop up cellular debris, while omega-3s from salmon rebuild membranes. Meanwhile, vitamin A from carrots and sweet potatoes replenishes the pigments your eyes need for proper function. It's a symphony of biological precision happening while you sleep. Of course, none of this works if your lifestyle habits counteract the process. Poor sleep, excessive screen time before bed, and dehydration can interfere with how well your eyes absorb and utilize these nutrients. That's why pairing these foods with good habits, like dimming screens an hour before bedtime, drinking enough water, and sleeping in a dark, cool room, can dramatically enhance the results. Sleep isn't just rest for your mind. It's the period when your body rebuilds itself, and your eyes benefit the most when you give them both nutrients and recovery time. The effects of consistently eating these foods can be surprisingly visible. After a few weeks, many people notice reduced dryness, sharper contrast in colors, and less sensitivity to light. Over time, this combination of nutrients helps prevent degenerative eye diseases, slows aging-related decline, and maintains visual clarity even in later years. It's not about quick fixes, but about building lasting resilience in one of the most delicate organs of your body. So the next time you sit down for dinner, think of it as preparation for your eyes' nighttime recovery. Choose dishes that combine the earthy sweetness of carrots and sweet potatoes, the freshness of spinach, and the richness of salmon or eggs. Add a burst of color from kiwi, oranges, and blueberries. Each bite contributes to the quiet, invisible process of cellular repair that takes place as you dream. Your eyes may be closed, but the nourishment you've given them keeps working tirelessly through the night. When morning comes and you open your eyes to the first light of day, that clarity you feel, the brightness, the comfort, the ease of focus, isn't just a coincidence. It's the direct result of the powerful collaboration between nature's most vibrant foods and your body's incredible ability to heal itself. In the end, good vision isn't only about what you see during the day, It's also about what you eat before you sleep.